The Marathon Tugs are a quick-release tug which is tightly buckled to the side of the saddle, found between the padding and the saddle flap, with a strap around the back to hold it tightly in position. The strap underneath runs to the metal square at the bottom of the saddle flap, keeping it secure and positioned in the middle, preventing any up and down movement. The Marathon Tugs are designed for telescopic shafts and to keep the end of the shaft firmly against the side of the saddle. They attach in the same way as regular quick-release tugs. But thanks to the straps holding it firmly to the saddle, it minimises movement of the ring at the end of the telescopic shaft. This allows more comfort for the horse and stops the end of the shaft digging into the flesh in front or behind the saddle. As the telescopic shaft moves, the end of the shaft stays secure against the saddle and not digging into the horse. Thanks to the Marathon Tugs, the telescopic action works more efficiently now that it's properly secured.